Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to set up Bosch Tassimo coffee machine. Firstly, ensure the water tank is filled, turn on the machine and wait for it to heat up. Tea discs are special Tassimo pots with built-in barcode that tells the machine how to brew the drink. Open the disc compartment, insert the tea disc with the barcode facing down and close the lid firmly until it clicks. Place a cup on the cup stand and press the start button to begin brewing. The machine will read the barcode and automatically adjust the brewing settings. Wait for a few moments while the drink is prepared. Once the brewing process is complete, carefully remove your cup and enjoy your fresh coffee, cappuccino, latte or flat white. Regularly clean the drip tray and cup stand to prevent buildup and descale the machine periodically using a Tassimo descaling tablet. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.